got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Last night, you can't do it peacefully. You won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors. No, no, just wait and see. You'll feel it naturally. There's no one else I see. I know you'll follow me. I don't know where to take this. I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment. We're living in the moment.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to today's video. It's going to be all about cleaning my fridge. I want to do a deep clean to it because it's been long. It's been like a whole month since I did the last huge fridge restock, which I didn't even shoot. So the restock is over and I want to clean it before we again do another restock. Yeah, so meanwhile as I do the cleaning, I'll be trying to review my fridge, tell you what I like about it, what I dislike about it, if I want to buy a new fridge or not. Yeah, so stick around, make sure you subscribe in case you haven't. For my new subscribers, karibuni sana. We are almost to 3,000 subscribers, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful for you all. I really can't wait for us to get to 3,000 subscribers. So karibuni sana, feel at home. In here we do a lot of things. We do cleaning, cooking, lifestyle, we do renovations, we do makeovers and everything you love to see in a homemaking channel. This is the right channel for you. Yeah, so you can clearly see how my fridge was dusty, like it was so dirty. I want to do a deep clean, guys. Yes, and for my returning subscribers, karibuni sana. I love you so much, you all. You don't know how grateful I am for you for always coming back to watch my content. So I was trying to check on the rubber, on this rubber. I saw someone saying sometimes cockroaches can be there, although I don't have cockroaches at the moment in the house because I did the fumigation like 1 month ago or 2 months if I'm not wrong. So I don't have any cockroaches in the house. And you can clearly see my top fridge is my biggest storage. I don't know about you guys in your houses. Do you store a lot of stuffs on your fridge? Because for me, you will find anything in naona ni kama mtoto ana play around with, it will always go up here because I always feel like this is the highest point where he can't reach. So we start by decluttering the on top of the fridge. And then we go ahead and clean. You can clearly see how much. This is how much I had on top of my fridge. Yo, this is how much. Yeah, it feels so funny. Like I could keep all those things on top of my fridge, but it's okay. Sometimes it's very safe, especially when it comes to his medication. Zile madawa zinapewanga hosi, so when I put them anywhere else, nowadays he wants to give himself some medicine, so I'll have to look for somewhere higher to put them wakati ninaenda job so that he doesn't get to reach them. So you can see behind the fridge, it was all a mess. Yeah, so I want to do the cleaning over there as well. and we continue, guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for the love you've been giving my last couple of videos. Always don't skip the ads, guys. I always remind you not to skip ads because that's where we earn most of our revenue. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, so let's go. So guys, as we continue with cleaning the fridge, I want to tell you what I dislike about my fridge that might make me to buy a new fridge very soon. So first of all, I'll also be letting you know what you will or what you'll be considering when you want to buy a fridge. First things first, the stars. At least buy a fridge that has more than two stars. That means the more stars, the more energy you will save. Like it will not be consuming a lot of power. For this one, it only has 1 star, and let me tell you guys, inanionyesha shege, like inanionyesha nini shege. So it's consuming a lot of power in this house. Actually kwa hii nyumba ni hii tu fridge ndio ina consume a lot of power. Like I'll use a lot of tokens in a month. So if I was to buy a new fridge as we speak, I'll go for more than 2 stars, like 2 to 3 stars, or even 4, because that means I'll be saving a lot of energy. So next, we go to the freezer. At least buy a fridge that has a bigger space when it comes to freezer. For me, I'm not complaining. Like this one is actually enough for me because in economy double, so you'll find me keeping up and down. So it's okay for me because also my family is not that huge, so it's okay for the food. And I also prefer not to stay with my stuffs in the freezer for more than 1 month. Yeah, if I make sense. And also at least make sure your freezer is frost free, because sometimes it will save your time since you will not need more of defrosting your food. Yeah, so mine is also frost free, so I love it about that. Before we get confused, I used clean water, that is hot water, lukewarm actually, together with liquid soap to clean the fridge first, the freezer part first. Then I go in again with vinegar. So don't ask me what is that I'm spraying. That's just vinegar, just to clear the bad odor that I was feeling it was in the fridge. Also, it's always good to clean your appliances with vinegar, and also sometimes if you have lemon in the house, you can go ahead and clean with them. It leaves them absolutely smelling nice. Yeah, so the freezer part is that done. I don't think I have much to say about the freezer part. If you have anything to add, kindly do so. I'll be glad to hear your ideas about fridges. So let's go to the downward, because my fridge is double door. So let's go to the downward with the most important one. Please, if you can, buy a fridge that has that cool wall something there, the blue one you are seeing. That one will save you a lot, because one, when there is no power, like when there is no power, it can save your food up to 24 hours without going bad. Yes, that's the first advantage. And now the disadvantage is like about my fridge, it is a bit smaller, I feel like, because in the middle of the fridge, it doesn't give me the allowance to put like tall things, like maybe the tall bottles. I only have one space for tall bottles, and that's on the door. So inside the fridge you can't put something. Maybe you just came with the milk from the supermarket, you don't have a space to put that milk inside that fridge. So it doesn't have it has spaces, but small ones for putting basic things like maybe the fridge organizers, those containers only, but it doesn't allow for taller things. Yeah, so if it makes sense. So if I want to go for a new fridge, I'll prefer the one that it has a wider space in between the hapo hivyo katikati. It has a wider space where I can be putting my milk, I can be putting my sodas and stuffs. Yeah, so for this one, if not the door, most of the things will be left out because there's no space actually for that. Yeah, so I think I have enough reasons as to why I should start to look for a new fridge. I'm just kidding, guys. Who is going to buy a new fridge with this economy? Who? So lastly, I'll talk about brands. If you want to go for a freezer or like anything else, any appliance you want to buy into your house, brands are very, very important, but also they have their own disadvantage. Something like LG, something like Samsung, something like TLC, something like what else? What else? Beko. For those brands, you will have to buy the brand name first, like the name first before you buy the fridge. There are so many other good brands out here that are not yet to be recognized, but the fridges are very, very nice. Something like Hisense, Roche, they are very, very nice upcoming brands that people are not yet to recognize them. So if you want to go for a good fridge, please also consider them because most people I've seen with those fridges, at least they have spaces. Okay, we don't say like Samsung or something is bad. Actually, the quality is good, like they are for the long run. But the bad thing, you're gonna have to buy the brand first. If I'm not wrong, guys, that is only from my experience. So let me know from your experience, and it's good to share our ideas out here. You've ever had things like KFC? When you go there, you buy the name first before you buy actually the food because unapata chakula ni kidogo lakini pesa umelipa ni mingi. If I'm making sense, if you know, you know. So just like that, guys, I am done cleaning my fridge. I didn't do the restock on the very same day. The day I was cleaning it, I cleaned it and left it to have some fresh air at least for 2 days. Not even two. It went more than that before we did the restock. So first thing after I was done cleaning it, I had to leave it wide open for all those days. When I was doing the restock, it was smelling so cool and so fresh. Yeah, so you can see the disadvantages and advantages I was telling you all about my fridge. Otherwise, I love it, guys. This is the most treasured thing in this house. This is when this is where I started to grow, and I won't take it for granted. So let's watch this once as well.
I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. You say that you're leaving me, the same thing you said last night. You can't do it peacefully, you won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors, no, just wait and see. You'll feel it naturally, there's no one else I see. I know you'll follow me. I don't don't wanna take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Talk to me, show me all that hurts you deep. Soak my shirt in all your tears, so I can talk with you. Breathe to me, tales of things that haunt your dreams. Set the brush and paint the scene, so I can breathe with you. The gravel spikes your feet, the cloth wraps on your knees. So darling, when the rain comes crashing in, I'll be right here and listen to you sing.
So guys, this yogurt is the one I was doing in our last second video, the one I was doing the balcony makeover. And yes, so this one, the one I'm mixing right now, it didn't turn out as I expected, but it was okay. Like, it was sweet. I don't know what happened in between, but ile ingine ilitani vizuri. But anyway, the good thing, it wasn't like tasting bad. Tulikunywa tu bado na ikaisha. Yeah, so and I really hope you all know how to make homemade yogurt. I'm sorry I didn't show you the procedure. I lost one clip. I don't know if I lost, but all I know, when I was editing, I found myself I didn't have the clip with me, how I started until the last procedure. So I really hope you all know how to make yogurt at home. So over here we had made some lunch, that is matoke. For our lunch, I wanted to do some batch cooking for the cereals. That is what I always start with. Sometimes I feel like when your freezer is packed, you don't feel like you're wasting power in your house. Yeah, so I want to do some batch cooking. I went to the market in the morning, so I bought some few groceries, like the tomatoes, and also the capsicums, and also the dania. So I want to wash them and keep them as well. Yeah, so let's keep watching.
I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars, yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. You see that you're leaving me, the same thing you said last night. You can't do it peacefully, you won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors, no, no. Just wait and see, you'll feel it naturally. There's no one else I see, I know you'll follow me. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. you'll follow me. I don't know how to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky.
So guys, we are very close to the end of this video. Kindly let me know in the comment section what you've liked about this video, what you want me to see, what you want to see me shoot for you in our next video. This is the final turnout. Mnaona nimepika a lot of cereals. I'm sure this one is going to serve us for a whole month, if I'm not wrong. Down here is where I draw the line. I didn't work much on the lower side on the camera, but as we speak, at least there's some stock there. So we've come to the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Let me know where you always watching me from, what you want me to shoot for you next, and see you next time. So bye guys, and let me see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.